Steve here with DURACLUTCH, and today I'd like to introduce the DURACLUTCH R Series for the Polaris RZR 900. This kit will include our DURACLUTCH R Series primary, team-tied secondary, DURABELT, mounting hardware for the secondary, and a belt removal tool. 4 benefits to buying a DURACLUTCH R Series is smooth, responsive, durable, and now equipped with full EBS. So what makes the DURACLUTCH R Series smooth is there are 6 internal rollers inside the sealed containment. The internal rollers provide smooth engagement with effective dampening, eliminating the harsh engagement like flyweight CVTs. What makes the DURACLUTCH R Series responsive is the primary clutch, the premium belt, the team-tied secondary, and one thing about the team-tied secondary is it transmits torque equally in both sheaths, providing excellent torque sensing and quick response to roll load. What makes the DURACLUTCH R Series durable is the sealed containment, keeping dirt and dust away from the rollers, making it a long life primary that will perform for many miles and years. The DURACLUTCH R Series is equipped with EBS. What makes up the EBS is a one-way bearing in the primary clutch and proper calibration with a special cut helix in the team-tied secondary. The DURACLUTCH R Series comes with a 1-year warranty on the primary, secondary, and belt. For additional information regarding the DURACLUTCH R Series, please feel free to visit the website duraclutch.com or email me sales@duraclutch.com.